Hello foodies, welcome to Rishika Recipes. This is Shahista. Today I will prepare whole wheat flour biscuits. Take 90 grams of butter in a bowl and beat it to a cream texture. This butter should be in room temperature. Add 50 grams of jaggery. This jaggery I blend and make a powder. Mix it to a cream consistency. You can replace the jaggery with sugar or brown sugar, but jaggery is healthy version. Take 25 grams of egg. Yes, you heard correct. 25 grams. Approximately half quantity of an egg. Add 1 gram of salt to it and mix well. Now add half of the egg from 25 grams to butter and mix well. Add another half and mix well. This 25 grams egg is a mixture of egg white and yolk. Now take 130 grams of whole wheat flour and 45 grams of maida, all-purpose flour. Sift and add it to butter mixture. Mix gently in cut and mix method until it forms a soft dough. Compulsory. To get perfect recipe, butter should be in room temperature. For 90 grams of butter, don't increase or decrease any of the ingredients. This is must. Don't add full egg. Add only 25 grams and remaining egg use for another purpose. Follow these steps. I'm promising you that you will get perfect best biscuits. Now place the dough in between butter paper and spread with the help of a roller. If you don't have butter paper, you can use polyethylene and do the same method. Make sure that dough has 4-5 millimeters thickness. Now keep in airtight plastic and refrigerate for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, take out from refrigerator and cut into desired shapes and place them in a baking tray. Dip the cutting mold in the flour to avoid sticking or breaking. Work as fast as possible to avoid melting of butter. After preparing these biscuits at home, you will never buy from market. These biscuits are very healthy and we don't use any sugar in this process. We use jaggery instead. Taste is awesome and they are very cheap when compared to market. Make holes with the help of fork for air and heat circulation. I will show one more sugarless biscuits without using butter soon in my next videos. Bake in 170 degrees for 15 minutes. Adjust the temperature and time according to your oven. Look at our biscuits, they baked perfectly. I've got 280 grams of biscuits from the quantity of ingredients I use. If you like this video, give thumbs up. If you don't like, click the dislike button. Your subscription is a big support to me and to my channel. Please comment below your opinion on this video.